Welcome back to Astrobotics. Look at the moon tonight and realize it's no longer just a peaceful rock in the sky. It is officially the most contested piece of real estate in human history. Just days ago, NASA dropped a bombshell by delaying the Artemis III landing, and suddenly, the race is wide open. While the US is dealing with technical delays, China is moving at lightning speed with their Chang'e 7 mission launching later this year. But why is everyone fighting over a freezing dark patch of land at the moon's south pole? The answer is simple: water ice. Now, as an engineering student, I can tell you that this ice isn't for drinking. It's actually the gold of the 21st century. If we split water ice into hydrogen and oxygen, we get high-grade rocket fuel and breathable air right there on the moon. This means the South Pole is basically a petrol pump in space that allows us to reach Mars without carrying heavy fuel from Earth. Whoever controls these craters controls the gateway to the entire solar system, and that is exactly why the geopolitical tension is hitting an all-time high right now in 2026. But here is the catch. NASA's Artemis program is hitting massive engineering hurdles with their Starship landing system and new spacesuits, pushing their landing back to 2028. Meanwhile, China's Chang'e 7 is already equipped with a hopper robot designed to jump into these dark craters to claim the water first. You might think there are laws against this, but the 1967 Outer Space Treaty has a massive loophole. While no country can own the moon, they can build research stations and declare safety zones around them, effectively blocking everyone else from entering. This isn't just a science experiment anymore. It's a silent land grab happening 384,000 kilometers away. We are seeing the world split into two massive space blocks: the US-led Artemis Accords, which India has joined, and the China-Russia ILRS. The engineering we develop in the next 24 months will literally decide the history of the next century. So, do you think the moon should be first come, first served, or should it belong to everyone equally? Drop your thoughts in the comments because I really want to know what you think about this new space race. If you found this deep dive helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more high-tech space updates. Share this with your friends to show them what's really happening above our heads. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the very next video.